Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different in that I'm going to show you how to replace the blade in our CableSaber, part number AST-200. If you're looking for a video on how to use the tool, please click on the link in this video and we'll take you to that video. Okay, so replacing the blade in the AST-200 is really pretty easy. You just simply unscrew the blade depth knob at the bottom of the tool. You're going to need something to push the blade out. In this case, I'm using a hex key, and we're just going to push the blade out. And the blade comes out. All you do is to insert the blade. The blade has a flat on it. You want to make sure that flat is pointing towards slit, making sure that the tool is in the ring position. So when we put it in, simply goes in that way. We can even use the hex key to push it in. Put the screw back in, and the blade should start going up and down. Check it to make sure the blade moves. You're all set.